People. Today we are going to share with you on how to make a very nice jollof rice for 30 people that will contain everybody. So in this our video, you are going to stick by to watch and learn on how to make a very nice Nigerian jollof rice that you will love to be doing anytime, any day you stays on your own. Because in this tutorial, this our lady here, she explained a lot of things how you will make your jollof so that it will be very nice, the quality, the quantity, and the things that is necessary when doing and when cooking this kind of Nigerian jollof rice. So don't skip any part of it. Try to watch to the end for you to learn everything concerning what is really going on and what is happening and how you will make your very nice jollof rice without any mistake. Because I know there are some people that they will be imagine how come will I do such kind of a food so that it will give me the kind of taste and the kind of thing I need. So in today's tutorial, we are going to teach you on that, and you are going to learn a lot. You are going to learn a lot, and after the lecture, you will even very happy to learn more. So as about for you, try to like, subscribe, and share it to the go round. And I would like to hear your comments down below, and interact with us so that we can know the next step to go again, so that it will be very nice to come back. And thank you for watching.
Hi faves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making jollof rice for 30 people. I filmed this just for you, step by step, very detailed jollof recipe that everyone is going to love. So let's make the pepper mix. You need the following ingredients. Don't worry, I'll leave their full details in the description box. I added that coriander leaves to this, and then I roasted my pepper. I don't add water to my jollof pepper mix. I blend it like that, and it gives me this very thick, rich and lush consistency. So I'll make the pepper mix and then I'll set aside. Now let's season our beef. So I will add my beef to a pot, add some onions, add some chicken seasoning, some curry powder. You need curry powder for your jollof, some garlic powder, some bay leaves, and mix this to combine. Then add a little bit of water so it can give me stock for my jollof. Now let's rinse our rice. Okay, so for your rice, I'll be using 1 pint of rice, and you want to rinse your rice until the water runs clear. This is to ensure that all the dirt in your rice are fully gone and to ensure that your rice does not stick together. So just keep rinsing that rice. Or some people even use salt to rinse theirs. Please by all means use salt to rinse yours, but if you have water, just keep rinsing the rice to ensure that there are no dirt in the rice and most of the starch is gone. This is a very important step in your jollof, and if you want to cook for a get together or maybe your friends and your family, just watch this video, save this video so that you can always have it handy. Just watch it and then come and make the jollof. So I'll keep rinsing my rice like I said because I want my water to run clear. So once my water runs clear, I would set the rice aside and then I'll move on to the next ingredient, which is to slice some onions. Now when you're making jollof, don't play with your purple onions. Is this thing called purple or red onions? I don't know, but you see these onions they are a game changer in your jollof. This is one of my jollof secrets and I'm giving you for free. So just say thank you in the description, in the comment section, because you need a lot of these onions. Even in your pepper mix, you can see that was what I used for my pepper mix. Use these red onions and you will come back and thank me later. They are a game changer in your jollof. Okay, so just slice it like this and then set it aside, and we will be using this in the course of this video. I hope you're learning, faves. So I like to slice as much as I can, and then I'll just set it aside and we'll use it in the course of this video. Now let's make my spice mix. I am going to be using some curry powder, some garlic powder, thyme. I also use cajun seasoning. Let's talk about this cajun. I'll talk about it. Then ginger powder, nutmeg, chicken seasoning, and then jollof spice. It's a jollof spice mix I just have, and bay leaves. Now let's talk about, and some salt. Now let's talk about cajun seasoning in your jollof rice. My faves. This will take the taste of your jollof. Is it cajun or cajun? I know that some people will come for me and say it's not cajun, it's cajun. Whatever. Cajun seasoning will take your jollof from 0 to 100. Anytime you're making your jollof, add cajun to it. Like, add cajun to your spice and come back and thank me. Okay, so now I'm going to be frying the beef now, and this part of frying the beef is also a part of building flavor, because you see the oil from this frying of beef is what we are going to use in our jollof. So your jollof is not going to taste bland, it tastes beefy. And let me tell you, if you ask me to choose between chicken and beef, which one has more flavor, trust me, beef is more flavorful than chicken. Like the taste in beef is very intense, so that is why I am using this. So for my tomato mix, I'm using Gino, regular Gino, and Gino Party Jollof. I will use 1/3 of the regular one and then 1 sachet of the Gino Party Jollof. This is you can see the difference between the Gino Party Jollof and the regular Gino. The difference is clear. One is more intense. So as I was saying, the flavor that is in beef is very, very intense. That is why I like to use beef or goat meat for my, let's say beef, not even goat meat, or even ram meat for my jollof. Those ones are very flavorful. Now that my beans is fried, I will add that oil into my pot, and then I will add that sliced onions, the one we sliced earlier on. So you want to fry it until it is well fried. If it's not well fried, the onions is going to be looking green in your food, and my god, that's not what we want, right? Okay, so you want to fry this until it is well fried. Then you want to add your tomato paste at this point. Now here is the thing for tomato paste. Your tomato paste needs to be thoroughly fried. This is to remove the sour taste in it, and to also ensure that it tastes better, because if your tomato paste is not thoroughly fried, my dear faves, that jollof rice is going to do something. It's going to slap you. Okay, because it's going to be really sour and it will not be nice. So make sure you fry your tomato paste. Here is how you know your tomato paste is well fried: until it starts to look like gari, like this, as if you are making a wagoin sauce. That is when you know that, okay, this tomato paste has been thoroughly fried. Now add your jollof pepper mix. Look at the richness of our jollof pepper mix. Now let's go in with our spice mix here. Look at how rich, how lush, how thick it is. Come on, this is not any jollof. See that my jollof pepper mix, even though I'm going to be leaving the details for you in the caption, don't use any other type of pepper mix for your jollof. Roast your pepper, and then your jollof will come out A1. Now when you're frying your pepper mix, it's going to go from this bright red color to this color that you're going to see next, this dark color. This is when you know that, okay, this jollof base is good to go. The oil has started to float on top, and it has gone from that bright red color to this deep color. This is when your rice goes in. My faves, are we following? I hope you are writing down. Okay, because making jollof is quite simple. You just need to know what to do. Now you want to add in your rice, your rinsed rice, the one we rinsed earlier on. And this is what I do at this point. I turn off the heat. I do not use any heat for this. So I mix the jollof and the base in properly. Like, I just keep going in circular motions until it looks like I'm maybe kind of like frying it, but I'm not really frying it because there's no heat in it, right? So to mix my jollof base with my rice, I turn off that heat, and then I mix it from top to bottom until it is well coated. Why I do this is because sometimes when you cook jollof, you see that some parts of the jollof is there will be more base there, and while some parts will not have any base at all. So this is to avoid that. You can see my jollof already looks jollofy even though it has not been cooked. So because sometimes the base does not get evenly distributed, and this is what I do to avoid that. Now let's talk about the water for your jollof. When you're making jollof, you don't need to add so much water because it is the steam that cooks your jollof, not so much water. So what I do is I add water a little bit above my jollof, nothing too serious, nothing too ballistic, just a little bit above my jollof, and that is it. The steam will do the rest of the job for you. Now use a foil wrap to trap in the heat. Just like I said, steam cooks jollof bar. Now use a foil wrap to trap in that heat so that all the heat does not have anywhere to escape to. That is how you cook your jollof. Now let's talk about I almost forgot to add my stock. Mistakes usually happen in cooking and it's totally normal, but I've added the stock now. Sometimes you forget some things when you are cooking, but it's okay. Now the heat level very low, like very low. After 15 minutes, I like to stir my jollof a bit. I do not belong to the school of thought that don't open your jollof. I open my jollof and I stir it a bit. Okay, this is to ensure that it is not burning. And now I'm going to fry some plantain, because what is jollof rice without plantain, my faves? Doesn't make sense, you know that, right? So after 30 minutes, I will open this and then I will mix it from top to bottom again. This is to ensure that my rice does not have what Yoruba people call asawo. I will mix it from top to bottom like so that all the grains are evenly cooked. Now I'll cover it, and when it is 45 minutes on dots, I will add some butter to this. If you want your jollof to be popping, please add butter. Yes, jollof needs oil, so add butter instead of vegetable oil. Add some sliced onions and some sliced tomatoes. Now what we are doing is we want to smoke up that jollof. So create a hole in the middle of your jollof. Create a hole in the middle of your jollof. Cover your jollof and ramp up the heat. Like take it to the highest for 5 to 7 minutes. Don't worry, everywhere is going to be choking, but don't mind it. You are smoking up that jollof and you are adding a depth of flavor to your jollof. Now look at that smoke. If you taste this jollof, it will be tasting smoky. All it will be saying is smoky. This is how you make smoky jollof. Okay, very flavorful, very nice. Everyone is going to love it. So if you have a get together, a mini birthday party, just use this recipe. I'll leave all the detailed measurements in the description box. Use this recipe to cook your jollof, and everyone will ask you, where did you buy your jollof? It will taste so good, so different, more than the regular normal homemade jollof rice. And yes, jollof buns. Look at the bottom of my jollof pot. Okay, jollof needs to burn if you want to cook jollof, correct jollof. It has to burn. So my fave, did you enjoy watching this video? Please share, like, and follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing recipes like this. And it will encourage me to keep showing up for you. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. I will always be grateful and appreciative of your views. If you have any questions at all on your jollof, feel free to ask me in the comment section. By God's grace, I would answer you. So this jollof is going to 20 random people on my street or in my area. Thank you so much for watching. It's because of your views that I am able to do this. Thank you.
Wow, very wonderful, very nice. It is a very nice training, and it's a very nice way to go. So I hope everybody have learned a lot from this video, and then you have captured so many things: how to cook your jollof rice and how to make it to look very nice, very tasty, and in fact. So I would like to hear your comment down below. Like, subscribe, and share the video to go around for everyone to see the good thing that is going on. And thank you for watching.